The Pixel 9 series is coming soon, and we've already seen live images of the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, and 9 Pro XL from all angles. There's also the Pixel 9 Fold, which is expected to look like this. It's going to be a huge event with lots of new products. Exciting new colors are coming to the Pixel 9 series, including obsidian and porcelain for all models, including the Pixel 9 Fold. The Pixel 9 will have exclusive jade and pone colors, while the 9 Pro and 9 XL will get the popular hazel and rose finishes from the Pixel 7 Pro. Here's how the new Pixel 9 series might look: black, gold, greenish, and pink finishes. The latest news suggests that Google will use a new Samsung modem for better 5G and network reception. Those experiencing network issues with the Pixel 8 series might want to upgrade to the Pixel 9 series for improved reception. Additionally, the Pixel 9 might feature satellite connectivity. The Pixel 9 with the Tensor G4 processor was recently listed on Geekbench, revealing that it's based on the Exynos 2400, with 1 Cortex-X4, 3 Cortex-A720, and 4 Cortex-A520 cores. Google is sure to introduce many AI features with this flagship, making it powerful, though not quite on par with the Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 flagship. That's okay, because the best part is the Tensor G4 will use new FOWL-P, fan-out wafer-level packaging, which will improve cooling and heat dissipation. Overall, the Tensor G4 will be a significant upgrade in both power and efficiency. The Pixel 9 series will feature many AI enhancements and adaptive touch settings. These settings will let you adjust touch sensitivity based on factors like environmental conditions, e.g., rain, or the presence of a screen protector. This is a nice feature. In the latest news, a live image of the Pixel Fold 2 shows a brand new design, a significant upgrade from the previous Pixel Fold design. Google is using a square module with 4 cameras, allowing for quick switching between cameras. The Pixel Fold 2 has an impressive wide cover screen with minimal borders on the inner display and an under-display selfie camera, putting it on par with Samsung and OnePlus foldables. According to Mishal Rahman, the Pixel Fold 2 will use the Tensor G4 instead of the Tensor G3, which is great news. However, this will push the launch to late 2024. The device looks amazing and is expected to cost around $1,000. Stay tuned for more leaks and news. See you next time. Peace out.
I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe